Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a subdomain in SiteGround. First, go and log in to your SiteGround account. Once inside, on the upper ribbon, go to the Websites tab. Here, you'll see list of your websites, so just click on Site Tools beside the one you want to work with. Now, once inside, on the left panel, go to Domains, and here, select Subdomains. Now, you'll have the option to create a new one. So just go ahead and type in the subdomain that you want. After that, click on the Create button. And there you have it. Your subdomain will now be created and it will be listed below. You will see it under this Manage Subdomains option, where you'll see the list of your subdomains. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.